Hi friends, in this video I am going to show how to set timer for our Google form. So first you want to make sure that add-on called Timify option is installed or not. So let us check whether it is installed. So as usual you open your form where you want to set timer. So here just click on the three dots. So a list will be opening. In this choose add-on option. So here you can see whether Timify add-on is installed. No, it is not installed. So just close it and go to a new tab. Here you type it as Timify and then give go. So here after giving go a page will be opening. So in this go to G Shoot Marketplace. So you want to click this option timify.me G Shoot Marketplace. So I am clicking here. So a page will be loaded. Here click this install button and give continue. So after giving continue a page will be opened. So here you want to choose an account. I'm choosing an account. So here you want to choose allow. So after giving allow, you will be getting an security alert from Gmail or whatever the account you have chosen. So that is only for the privacy security purpose. So you want to do all those alert requirements. That is, you want to give check activity. Then you want to choose yes I am and then done. So after completing that, you come to this page and you give next. So here you want to click complete additional setup now. So a page will be opening. So a page will be opening here. In this you choose join now option and here you give sign in with Google. So here choose an account. So here some terms and conditions will be coming out. So you can read everything. Just scroll and read all the terms and conditions. So after scrolling down, after reading all the terms and conditions, at last you will be having an button called I accept timify.me terms and condition. Here you can click this button. So here you want to sign up, that is you want to set up your account. So email whatever you have chosen is already given here and you want to give your first name. I am giving my name. And in the last name you can give your last name. Purpose, what is the purpose of setting up this account? You can choose any option. I'm giving personal. What is the main objective? Whatever things what is asking here you can give. I'm giving education. Then you can give the password. So just be careful while you are giving your password. So it must satisfy all the rules whatever given below. That is be 8 or more symbols long, contain a digit, contain an uppercase Latin letter, not contain spaces. So it should satisfy all these conditions. So after this you want to give save your account. So here you have set up your account. So you can copy this secure token. I will be explaining this later. Just now copy this or you can press this copy button. This token will be copied. So this token is very useful in the later I will be telling this. So now just you can go into your Google form. So I am going to click my Google form. So I have opened. So here go and click this three dots and click add on. So just refresh this page. I am clicking this. Click this three dot. And press. So just wait, it is loading. So add-on option, and here can you see Timify option is there. You choose this Timify option, then press configure. So a page will be opening. So here one thing I want to say you, in case in some browsers you will be receiving this add-on page after choosing some add-ons, you will be getting that is, it will be in the working status. So in that situation you can go to the settings of this browser. I will be explaining. So here you want to click this three dots and give this enable this desktop site. Okay, so then your add-ons will be opening faster. So here you have here you want to paste the token whatever we have copied now just now. So here you want to click here and paste the token and give connect. So here give enable Timify for this form. So it is under working condition. Just wait for 1 minute. After getting this, just read all those important information whatever given in this box. After reading that important information, just go into our Timify dashboard. That is, you can see this URL and you can open this page. Here you click create test. Okay, so one dialog box will be coming out. Here first option, add respondents. Here in add respondents, type the student email address. So I am typing one email address. So after typing, just click on timer duration. So here you can paste n number of email address. It is your wish. So next step, timer duration. So what is the time you allotted for that particular student? So I'm going to give 2 minutes. Then here auto close form when timer over. That is, here you want to enable the first option. Then allow to view quiz score and result after submission. This also I'm going to enable. So after this you can click create. After giving create, so you can copy the URL and you can send to students. Okay, so here I'm going to click copy URL, and you can forward that URL to your students, or you can click send test option, and here choose the email ID to whom you want to share and click next, and here you can write something whatever you want to tell. So I'm going to give attend the test. So after that you can click next. So here you can click send test. So a email notification will be forwarded to student email. So from that he can able to attend the test. Okay, so or else we have copied an URL no, so I'm just doing another time and we can test now. So I'm choosing a new tab, and here I'm going to paste that URL and I'm going to give go. So here can you see the test duration have been set. So 2 minutes test. So here I'm going to give open the form. So here you can enter the email address of your that is student email address. I'm giving my email address and my name. I'm giving my name. So then class, I'm choosing a class and then a section name, and I'm giving next. So here answering my questions. So then you can click submit. So here can you see the timer which is running in the top of the form? So we have completed our test. If you want to see your score, you can click this view score. That's all about setting timer to your Google form. Thank you. So if my video is useful, just click subscribe button, then like button and share to your friends. Thank you so much for watching.